Find a quiet place to settle in. Let your body be fully held by a bed, a chair, the floor, whatever is supporting you right now. Allow your shoulders to drop. Let your jaw soften. Feel the weight of your body being held without any effort from you at all. Take one slow breath in through your nose, drawing it all the way down into your belly, and let it go through your mouth, unhurried. And again, breathe in and release. There is nowhere you need to be right now. Nothing waiting for your attention. These words were written for you, and all you are asked to do is receive them. Some will land immediately. Others may feel like seeds that need a little time to settle. Let them come either way. You are here. You are breathing. Let's begin. I am grateful for the air moving through my body right now, steady and freely given. I notice warmth in the small and unremarkable moments scattered through my ordinary days. I give thanks for my body, which has carried me through every single hard day so far. I am grateful for the people who have sat beside me without needing to fill the silence. I find richness in the details, the color of the sky at a certain hour, the sound of rain against glass. I appreciate the ordinary rhythm of my days, which holds me even when I forget to notice it. I am grateful for every difficult season that taught me something I could not have learned any other way. I give thanks for my hands, which have built things, held things, and had the courage to let things go. I am grateful for the meals that have nourished me, simple ones, elaborate ones, eaten alone and shared. I notice that even in the most difficult days, something worth finding exists if I look with patience. I am grateful for water, its sound, its taste, the way it moves through me and restores me. I give thanks for the moments of laughter that arrived without warning when I needed them most. I appreciate the steady presence of people who have shown up for me again and again. I am grateful for the chapters in my life that are now closed. Each one shaped who I am standing here today. I find gratitude in the quiet, in the spaces between noise, where I can finally hear myself think. I give thanks for every teacher, mentor, and stranger who offered me knowledge or unexpected kindness. I am grateful for the seasons changing, for the steady reminder that nothing stays still for long. I appreciate the safe places I have had to rest, a bed, a chair, the arms of someone I trust. I am grateful for my own resilience, for every time I stood back up when it would have been easier to stay down. I notice that gratitude lives in texture, the warmth of a ceramic mug, the weight of a blanket in winter. I give thanks for the friendships that have held across years and distance without losing their warmth. I am grateful for the time I have spent in nature, the particular silence of trees, the wide colour of open water. I appreciate every opportunity I have been given, including the ones I almost walked past. I am grateful for music that has found me in the exact moment I needed it. That song, that note, that lyric. I give thanks for my mind for its ability to reason, dream, remember, and ask better questions over time. I am grateful for shelter, for the roof above me and the walls that hold warmth inside them. I find abundance in knowing that beauty is available to me every single day in some form. I give thanks for the difficult conversations that made my relationships more honest and more real. I am grateful for mornings, for the particular quality of early light and the quiet sense of beginning. I appreciate the evenings that give me permission to slow down, reflect, and set the day down gently. I am grateful for the courage I have shown, even on the days when courage was the only thing I had left. I give thanks for the small acts of kindness I have both received and had the chance to pass forward. I am grateful for the books and stories that have stretched how I see the world and the people living in it. I notice that when I look for goodness, I find it in corners, in ordinary exchanges, in unexpected places. I appreciate the quiet persistence of growth in my own life, slow, real, and entirely mine. I am grateful for the laughter shared around tables, over long meals with people I love and have loved. I give thanks for my senses, the ability to taste, touch, see, hear, and smell the world I live in. I am grateful for every version of myself that made it through something I didn't know I could survive. I appreciate that I am still here, still breathing, still feeling, still capable of receiving good things. I give thanks for the mentors who believed in me before I had given them any particular reason to. I am grateful for the clarity that arrives, sometimes slowly after long periods of confusion and doubt. I find gratitude in the passage of time, in how it has brought new things I could not have planned for. I appreciate the simple pleasure of something warm to hold on a cold morning. I am grateful for my capacity to love, fully, quietly, without needing it to be perfect to be real. I give thanks for the ways my body communicates with me, steering me toward rest when I need it most. I I am grateful for every sunrise I have witnessed, each one different, each one unrepeatable. I notice the generosity that exists in this world, in gestures both large and barely visible. I appreciate that I carry the capacity for gratitude, that this door inside me is always open and waiting. I am grateful for the memories stored in my body, the ones tied to safety, warmth, and belonging. I give thanks for every problem I have worked through, for each one showed me more of what I am capable of. I am grateful for the people who have made me feel seen, without my needing to ask or perform for it. I appreciate that every single day holds something worth pausing for, even briefly. I am grateful for the grace I have been given on days when I could not earn it or explain it. I give thanks for my creativity, for every idea that arrived uninvited and asked me to pay attention. I am grateful for the animals that have come into my life, steady and uncomplicated in their presence. I notice that gratitude is not always loud. Sometimes it is simply the quiet recognition of what already is. I appreciate the way sleep repairs me each night and returns me, restored, to another morning. I am grateful for every person who has ever cooked for me, cared for me, or made space for me. I give thanks for the part of me that kept going when stopping would have cost so much less. I am grateful for the stillness that lives inside me, the part that stays steady when everything around me is loud. I appreciate the small rituals that anchor my days, the familiar, the routine, the comforting sequence of things. I am grateful for the words that have reached me at precisely the moment I needed to hear them. I give thanks for the conversations that left me feeling understood rather than managed or dismissed. I am grateful for the slow changes in me that built quietly over time into something I can now recognize. I notice abundance in the simple act of breathing, in air that is freely and constantly given. I appreciate that I have people in my life who carry some of the weight with me. I am grateful for those who came before me, whose lives made my own possible in ways I will never fully know. I give thanks for the quiet satisfaction of finishing something I once feared I couldn't even begin. I am grateful for the times I have been wrong and had the chance to see things more clearly afterward. I appreciate the moments of genuine connection when I recognized something in another person and they recognized something in me. I am grateful for my voice, for the fact that I have one and that it can carry truth into a room. I give thanks for the earth beneath my feet, solid, patient, and older than any worry I carry today. I am grateful for the full range of what I feel: joy, sorrow, longing, wonder. All of it, proof that I am alive. I notice how much I have been given that required nothing of me: air, light, the fact of being here at all. I appreciate the quiet satisfaction that comes at the end of a day, lived with some degree of intention. I am grateful for the longing I feel for more, because it means this life still holds things I am reaching toward. I give thanks for the answers that came, in forms I didn't expect at times I couldn't have planned for. I am grateful for the art that has moved me, the painting, the song, the line in a book that stopped me mid-breath. I appreciate that gratitude is a practice, something I can return to again and again, and it will always receive me. I am grateful for this moment, this breath, this life, exactly as it is right now, without needing it to be different. Take one last slow breath here. Let it fill your chest, your belly, and let it go. You have just spent this time in quiet acknowledgement of your own life, the texture of it, the people in it, the small and large gifts woven through your days. That recognition doesn't need to be dramatic or spoken aloud. It just needs to be felt. Carry what resonated with you as you move back into your day. Move a little slower. Look a little closer. The things worth being grateful for are not distant or rare. They are already here, already yours.